In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, navigating job search websites can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're looking for a platform that speaks your language. Indeed is one of the most popular job search engines out there, and it offers multiple languages to help you find your next job comfortably. So, let's dive right in and go through the simple steps together. First, make sure you're on the Indeed website. Open your browser and type in www.indeed.com. Once you reach the homepage, look for a section labeled Choose Your Language. This section is often located towards the bottom of the page. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. We'll explore other ways to change the language. If you don't find the Choose Your Language option, or if it seems a bit hidden, there's a quick fix. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will notice a link or an icon that represents your current language setting. Click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear, showing different language options available on Indeed. As you browse through the list, you might notice languages like Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, and more. Simply click on the language you prefer, and just like that, the entire site will refresh with the selected language. If for any reason you're using the Indeed mobile app, the process is equally straightforward, but the layout might look a little different. Open the app on your device and look for the menu icon, which usually looks like three horizontal lines somewhere at the top or bottom of your screen. Tap on that, and you'll find an option for settings or preferences. Inside the settings menu, look for language options. You may have to scroll down a little to find it. Once you find the language settings, simply tap on it, and a list of available languages will pop up. Select your preferred language to set it up for the app. It's important to note that changing the language on Indeed doesn't just change the website or app's language. It also ensures that any job listings and descriptions will display in the language you've selected. So if you're searching for jobs in a region that primarily uses a different language, setting it to that language can significantly improve your experience and understanding. Now, if you ever want to switch back to your original language or try a new one, the same steps can be repeated. It's that simple. Remember, changing the language on job search platforms can not only make your job hunting experience smoother, but it can also expose you to opportunities you might not have seen otherwise. As the world becomes more interconnected, being comfortable in different languages is a valuable skill. So there you have it. Changing the language on Indeed is a quick and easy process that enhances your job search, ensuring you can find those opportunities in a way that's best for you. If you liked this guide and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this.